guess what, girl?
You didn't stand back.
Don't call me that now. What is it, eh?
Sorry.
Anyway, my mother actually told me something yesterday. She came back and said that the prince is actually coming back finally.
Are you for real?
So you have no head?
No.
You know, my father is the owner of this town. And he came back from the palace yesterday and he told me that the prince is looking for a bride.
Yeah.
And there will be a dancing competition. And also, those girls that dresses well in this kingdom. And you know I'm among them, you know.
Anyway, talking about the dressing well of a thing, you know, I believe that the prince will actually choose me. Don't you think?
Shut up.
I beg you guys check
But balance up now.
Balance
Why
me out.
Shut up. What will you see who's talking?
No.
Anyway, I don't have time for you girls. When the prince comes back, we'll see who we choose.
He's going to choose me alone.
Only
me.
Only me. Me alone. Don't worry.
Just guess
What?
My dad already got to know all the costumes for me.
Are you for real? Yeah, I'm happy for you. All is good.
What of you? Why is your face like this and where are you coming from?
I'm coming from the house. I want to go and see someone. You know, James, every time I don't have money, I don't have money. I don't know what to do. I'm even tired of all this thing. I don't know what to do.
Have you gone to him?
I will try in the evening now.
Okay. So big, what of John? That John.
You're funny. John. It's very funny. If John asked me to be his girlfriend, how can I just go and ask her to give me money? It's not possible now.
Babe, just try. You know that guy has money.
I know he has money, but
that guy loves you.
Okay, I will try, but I'm not doing it with my heart.
Try. There's no harm in trying, I beg.
I will try. Where are you going to?
Mom asked me to get something for her that day.
Let me see someone. Fine.
You know fine.
Bye-bye, John. Yeah.
Guy, you know that this one that the prince is back. I'm sensing problem. I heard that the reason why the prince is back is for him to pick a wife from this village.
That one is not even my business.
Do you know the reason why I'm telling you this? I got information from a reliable source that your girlfriend is even planning to be on the first row to be picked by the prince.
Anyway, I know that my girlfriend cannot do such a thing.
Your girlfriend will not do such a thing. I'm telling you this thing because you're my friend and I'm just doing it for you because of our friendship. You understand? Wait, it's like your girl is coming. Let me explain myself.
Hey, how are you?
I need money.
Hey, baby. See here. I don't have money on me right now, but I'm expecting money, okay? See, when the money comes, I will give you.
Every time you don't have money. Story. When will you have money? When?
Relax now. Can't we discuss this at home? As you can see, I'm with my friend here.
No. I need money. I need to tidy some things. I need to look good. What are you saying?
And by the way, what are you even doing with the money?
Yeah. You're asking me what I'm using money to do. I'm a big girl. I need to take care of myself. I beg you.
It's still the same thing. Let's discuss this at home. There's no money here with me. Okay? As you can see, my friend is here, okay?
I have said it too. I need money!
You don't have to shout now. Must you shout?
I need money.
It's
okay.
It's okay, we'll discuss at home. Maybe we'll meet at home, okay? Hey, bros.
Guy, I heard her. She need money.
What's the business?
Do you have money? Guy, you don't have money. I'm still in trouble. The prince is back and he's coming back with billion van. The prince is back. There are 7 billion vans in the palace. So I'm talking to you. She needs money and she's going to get it from the palace.
See, I don't care. What I see that I don't care. Please,
you don't care.
Moreover, mind your business.
I'm going to make the prince a very good friend of mine so that I can even have a test of this thing.
I beg, please mind your business. That one.
Baby.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I came to ask you for something.
What is that?
I need money. I want to go and buy food, please.
Money? Now you come to ask me for money, but I asked you to be my girlfriend, you refused. You accepted that stupid James.
It's not what you think now.
But
please
what?
now. I'll tell you about it later, please.
Okay. Since you said that, you know I have the money. I will give you the money, but under one condition.
Which is?
You give me that and you understand it. And I'll give you the money.
You mean all this is about you want to sleep with me? It's unfair now.
Use what you have and get what you need. That's the system.
Wait, let me get you. All these things because you want to sleep with me. I thought you said you love me. You know what?
Yeah.
Read my lips. I will not do it. Excuse me.
Well, you are still coming back. I know you come back. Baby, I will get you. You are shaking that your bottom for me. I will get it.
What should I do? Rita has already gotten her own costume. And my boyfriend don't have money. I don't have anybody to help me. That means I have to do it with John then. If I finish it, the prince might marry me. And I might be the queen of this land. I might be the Lolo. Only me will be the Lolo. Yes, only me. Only me.
What's your problem? Just thank your God that I met you on the road. I remember that I met you in your house. I was giving you the embarrassment of your life. So what? What yes! See, give me my money. That's why you're shouting. You have to calm down. See, don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. Look, I worked for you, and since then you haven't paid me. What do you expect of me? Did I tell you I will not give you your money? I tell you I will give you the money, but I don't have money. John, I need that money now because I have a lot to do with money. Alright, and I don't have money now. What will I do? Will you kill me? John, what's your problem? What's the problem? I think there's no money with me now. Will you kill me? See, John, you are paying me this money here and now. Or else, what do you see? You not like it down. And don't say I'm shouting because I don't like it. I'm already angry already. What kind of nonsense is this? You want people to hear your voice first. It's not about business. Pay me my money, period. That's it. See, you know what? I don't have money with you. I will give you the money. But just I say, it's like, I said you should pay me my money here and now, or else what we see here will not like it. Okay, you know what? You know what? Tomorrow I'll give you the money. John, you say tomorrow you will give me my money. What I will give you. John, and if tomorrow you don't give me my money, John, what we will see, you will not like it. If I pay you, will you stop me on the road again? John, I'm not kidding with you. I'm not playing with you. Just pay me my money tomorrow. If you don't, what will see, you will not like it. I'm not checking you. I beg, go your way. Nonsense. Rubbish.
John, this one you brought me inside this bush. After you have given me the money, what is it?
Today the thing now.
Eh?
Today the thing.
Inside bush? Then what happened to your house?
My parents are there. I don't used to bring girls into my house.
I cannot do it though.
I enjoy doing it inside the bush.
I cannot do it. No, I cannot do it.
I enjoy doing it in the bush.
I cannot do it though.
What?
I said I cannot do it.
Alright. You give me back my money. You have to refund me back my money, that's all.
I've not done it
Come on,
before
babe.
now.
Come on. Relax. If you do it here, then if I enjoy it, I'll take you to my mom. Then they will see you. Then from then I will start taking you down to the house. Just come on. Come on, babe.
I've not done it before.
Come on, you enjoy it. I love doing it inside the bush.
I've not done it before inside the bush.
You enjoy it. Come on.
I've not done it. Later. How far? Nothing much. As you can see, I'm looking pretty.
So, what's up? Do you let her go to John?
Yes, so I did. He gave me the money on one condition.
Condition?
Because I'm going to pay back.
What? Why?
I don't know. But I'm happy because he didn't ask me for sex.
He did not?
Yes.
I was even expecting that from him.
He did not ask me for sex.
Wow. Well, it's okay now.
Well, and where are you going to?
I need to get something down there.
See my babe, so. Girl, Safa.
I know.
What's that?
I already with that, but why are you here? So you are here, you talk. No, that's what you are good at.
So if I see my babes If I can't check on my babes, anything.
Nothing, just
I
talk,
thought,
just talk.
sorry.
Alright. Anyway, I actually came with something though. It is just
Talk now,
Leave her, talk. Just talk.
Thank you. Jesus. I'm actually feeling somehow. Oh God. Anyway, I'll tell you. The prince. Oh, sorry. My husband to be, the prince, is finally back.
Your husband to be.
He's not only your husband to be.
But
Na
wait,
king.
where do you get the information from?
Trust me now. My mom told me.
Your mom.
Yeah.
Hey. The prince
We
is
don't
back.
hear.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you for the information.
I'm just telling both of you so that you get ready to be my mate. Well, I'm going to be.
Say me. If I hear who is talking.
They're not feeling well. I beg them, go
Yeah, I'm not
outside,
feeling
Joe.
well. As in, I'm feeling my place.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to the market.
Let me escort you.
Why escort me?
Shut up.
They're going to
But I'll wait.
my prince.